Hey there, YouTubers. Here's a quick video of getting my RV ready for summer, turning it from driveway useless art until getting it back on the road again. Hope you enjoy. Just some minor projects, nothing real big for this 22-year-old RV. All right, YouTubers, let the season of working on the RV start. I'm gonna repump up the air ride a little bit and going to get some new sneakers to put on Eduardo here. Cousin Eddie needs some new shoes. Got a pretty good deal. I might take a couple of pictures, but I think that's it for now. All right, now I can go that I've gotten everything settled, and away I go. So yes, I got my STEMI check, and yes, it's going into Cousin Eddie. Que sera, sera. Stimulate the economy, right? Right. All right, I'm almost there. So I'm gonna take the GoPro out of the window, put it away. All right, I'm getting two new Goodyear Wranglers, again at Discount Tire. I've always been happy with them and their prices. They got me out of there in an hour, even though they had to use 4 jacks to get Eddie up off the ground. That's another point. I don't ever want to be on the side of the road trying to lift this thing up with a scissor jack. And I can't carry around a big floor jack, but all done. Okay. New tires. Yay. Move the backs to the front. Yay. Okay. New tires are on it. I just showed you. Did a little walk around. I know a lot of people say to check online, and I don't know if I check the best places online to buy tires online. And Discount Tire, I'm really happy with them. I think I paid 2 years ago, I paid like 30 cents less than I paid this year for 2 tires, and I was worried what tires were going to cost now. And I think the best one I saw online, you know, then have them delivered and put on, was like $6 a tire cheaper than this place. So it was a no-brainer to get done here. I was told like years ago when I first started by an old-time RVer, it said 5 years, whether they look like they need it or not, change your tires out. I think I probably already rambled about that, because you are only as safe as your tires. So I would suggest to everybody, if you have even a van like this or a big RV, 5 years, get some new tires on there, keep yourself safe. And my airbag is still leaking. I guess it's not warm enough. It's weird. It's perfectly safe when it deflates, but I'm hoping to get a little bit more time out of it before I have to make the decisions to probably move to bigger springs and all that good stuff. I'm in a parking lot with no people, and of course one person has to come in. He also asked me, he said, do you happen to know the torque for the lug nuts on this? And I'm like, I don't. I was like, whatever you guys did last time seemed to work fine. So they set it at 140. So I might try to do a little research to see what Leisure Travel says these should be set at. Anybody know? Anybody? Anybody? I don't either. All right. Besides doing the tires, there was more stuff, nothing major to do. My belt tensioner for the main belt for the Serpentine was messing up, so replaced that, replaced the belt. Did new plugs, air filter. AC wasn't blowing cold, so I recharged the older AC systems at 134, and seems good so far. And yeah, getting it ready for longer trips, so that's a good thing. I got some more stuff I want to get done, but spending money doing work, getting stuff done, ready for trips. So you can see there's the old one, and it's seized up. And the new one's down there. I don't know if you can see it, but it's there. So that's good. That's what some old plugs look like. Not terrible. It wasn't misfiring anything. Just figured it was time.
Some of them good. A couple of them kind of nasty. Actually, they probably could have got away with it because it wasn't misfiring or anything like that. But they've been in there years, so I figured time to change them.
All right, this is my mat that I keep down on the floor in the front. I duct tape it down. So we'll pull this up. Yeah. I'm gonna clean it up with these Lysol wipes. All right, so since that's mat is up, I'm gonna clean it.
get the glue off here. I think you get the idea. All right, now we're gonna get the pad back in.
I like showing the simplest of things. This was a pad I got at like Dollar General or Odd Lots years ago now. Maybe within the first year or so of the RV. Really protects the carpet. So I didn't want to rip all the carpet out. And that's that. All right, again, cheap duct tape. This is supposed to be a solar system or something. Stars. There we go. Now that's not going anywhere. All right, what we're gonna do here is that window leaked a couple years ago and I went overboard. I caulked it closed and then I used butyl tape to seal it in good. I know it's not leaking anymore, so I'm gonna take that silly butyl tape off, but I'm gonna leave the caulk on. So let me get this off. It's a pretty straightforward process here. Might be too warm to be doing this now. Yeah, the glue kind of left quite a mess on the side of this. Wasn't a great idea. But all the years I've had it, this is the only issue I've ever had with the leisure travel portion of this RV. I think I messed up and should have waited for it to be cooler. Yeah, not really sure what I was thinking here. Well, I was thinking no more damn leaks. That's what I was thinking. The worst thing that can happen to a van or an RV is water getting in, mold, mildew, all that kind of stuff. So if you have any idea that you got a leak, you got to fix it right away. And this worked. All right, YouTubers, that's going to take a lot more cleaning, and I'm pretty sure I made a mistake, but we'll see if we can get this stuff off of there. All right, there we go. It's pretty well cleaned up. I still got to wash and wax the vehicle, but the window looks a lot better. We'll see if I'm going to clean it out or not. I'll probably just leave it as is for now. It's really expensive to replace a whole seal on the window, and if I can't open that one, that's not the end of days. I got all the other ones can still open. All right. Hope you enjoyed silliness, and you have a great, wonderful day.